Alright folks, now this is truly going to be a quick video because I'm going to cook the other half of that dough where we cook those biscuits out on the grill. But we do have this little proper oven. We ain't got no pans. We're going to use a grill mat. So let me get the dough. It's going to be, I'm going to try to make this less than a 5-minute video to show you the outcome. To see the dough has risen. It's been in there for 2 days, and we're going to use this grill mat to cook it on in the oven. And that's the one we used on the grill. I don't know why she brought the barbecue tools. Baby, you can put the barbecue tools back when cooking on the oven. Alright, so here it is. See what the dough looks like. Right when I fire up this video, apparently we woke the baby up rattling around. That's what it looks like. Been in there a couple days and give it a whiff. Yeah, that's good to go. Alright, will it fit? Oh yeah, big barbecue. The big grill mat is gonna fit, so we're gonna use that bad boy, I think. Yeah. Now I gotta plug this thing in because my daughter comes over here and twists all the knobs. We never use this thing, so I just leave it unplugged. Alright, this bad boy's plugged in. Now let me see if I can get a tune out of this trombone. That's taking it up to 90. And this is in Celsius, so fuck, I don't know. I just take it about halfway. Looks like we do have electricity. See if these dudes heating up. Doesn't feel anything. Oh yeah, we got a tune out of that trombone, folks. Alright folks, and like I said before, this dough was way too moist. I don't have any of the flour. I guess I could put some of the baby's milk on there, thicken it, huh? No? Alright. It's stuck in there like glue. Come on out there. Oh, there we go. See, that's sticky. That's sticky. Oh my goodness, that is sticky. And you know what? That almost looks like Rice Krispies. Look at that dough. It smells delicious too. No, it's not sticking to this thing. It's damn sure gonna stick to my hands. Copper Chef bacon mat going into our oven, and that looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. And I turned the top one off. I turned the bottom one on. I don't think we have a light. Oh, we do have a light. See if we can zoom in on that, Fatima. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna hit my timer and we'll check it in about 5 minutes. Alright folks, coming up on about the 5-minute mark. And like I said, I've only got that bottom burner on. The top one's not on. But I think what I'm gonna do is flip the top one on now. See if we can bring it on up. Alright, so now we got. Let me shine my flashlight in there. Oh yeah, that dude's looking good. I look at it with this camera, it looks like it's browning on top, but when I put my flashlight to it, I realize it's not. That dude's coming on up. Coming up on 20 minutes on this bad boy. It's still rising. Coming up on 25 minutes. Alright folks, come up on 27 minutes. And it's starting to brown on the top. So I'm going to have Fatima hold the camera and I'm going to check it. Poke down into that bad boy. Fork comes out clean. Check this side. What I do is just slide it onto this little rack. Oh my goodness. Let's just kind of take a gander up under there, and it does not look like it's burnt at all. That's perfect. and we took it out right at 29 minutes. But check it out. So we're going to check the non-stick properties of the grill mat. Let's see if this thing just slides off onto my cutting board, and it does. Okay, so take a look at that right there. It just slid off. Nothing burned. Nothing burned on this bad boy, and it is still hot. And without further ado, I'm just going to cut into this dude. You know what? I need to take a photo first. And I am hoping that it is done. I did not want this thing to burn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now, to be honest, it could have stood another minute or two. I would say 2 more minutes. But look at that slice of bread. Take a look at this right here. I'm going to take the first bite just to make sure it's palatable. And it's still hot, so everybody's wanting a piece, but I got to let it cool down. Let me take a bite into this bread. That is 100% delicious right there. I think what I'm going to have to do is save me a few slices for tonight and make me a sandwich. So I got dibs on 2 slices. Maybe try to get, I don't know if I'm going straight up peanut butter, maybe with a little honey. And that's what I'm going to serve this with, some honey for the Fatima, my daughter here. What do you think, sweetie? So folks, my bread is a big success. I did a sampler plate here with honey, syrup, and that's some damn Goober peanut butter and strawberry. My goodness. She loves Papa's bread. Alright, Forrest G's taste test. And Maria is still eating her piece. You gonna give your brother a piece of bread? Aw, so sweet, Maria. Thank you, sweetie. How's that taste, Forrest G? Well, you dropped it, baby. Give him another piece. Oh yeah, so everybody says it's good, and she is still eating. My goodness, finally got something that everybody loves.